is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our new series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So, roll that intro. Johnny Switchblade here once again, and today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So let's just get right into it, guys. Whoa, yo, what's going on, guys? It has officially been 1 week. 1 week since we started our series called Invest With Me. So, gonna go ahead and bring up the old phone here. All right, here we are in Coinbase. We are at 3809. Like I said last week. There is a discrepancy in this. There's a little bit of Bitcoin, and actually, let me go to my assets real quick. 3808. We're gonna go down to our balance here. So far, we have only invested $20 into this account, minus this Doge you see here, 1702. It is down $1 from last week. Like I said before, if you weren't here last week, I'm actually going to get rid of that Doge balance, so you guys will be on the same level as me entirely. All we did last week was we bought $20 worth of Polygon. Came out to like 18 bucks, and we are also down $2.80 on Polygon. So this would be a good time to dollar cost average on Polygon. Now that it's down, you want to invest a little bit more. That way your dollar cost average goes down right there. And so last time we were paying, let me see. What did we do? Polygon price currently is at 84 cents. Let me see. We purchased our Polygon at $1.02. So yeah, we are down like 80 cents or whatever, which is not bad. Which is not 18.51 is what we received after fees, and yeah, not bad. Like I said, time to dollar cost average on that one. But let's go back over here. So oh yeah, the Cosmos. If you guys weren't here last week, there's Cosmos in there. This Cosmos here, I'm in California, and we are no longer allowed to stake crypto on Coinbase. So I had sold all my tokens. I had sold all my tokens a while back, and I had left some change, a couple cents inside Cosmos, and it has just been cooking. I can't touch it anymore. I mean, I could pull it out if I want to, but once I pull it out, it's done. I can no longer stake it again. So I was actually just going to leave it in there for as long as possible, just to see what happens. Earning at 8.83% APR on that little bit of Cosmos I got there. So we're not going to count that. We're actually going to deduct that every week to see where we're at. And so you guys, like I said, are at the same place, unless you want to invest $5 or buy 0.505352 of Atom. We could be on the same page. I actually have one Stellar Lumen in here as well. It looks like 14 cents. It's 14 cents. I'm probably going to reduce all these small balances into, like I said last time, into my United States dollar account. That way I can use it towards one of our purchases. So let's just get right into it, guys. Let's go to the trading section, and let's go check out all our top movers here. So I see a lot of promise. Over here in the top movers section. First and foremost, the token that I am interested in today is Threshold, the number one top mover of now. But while I was looking at this, I actually wanted to go over I wanted to go over one of these tokens that I think I promoted this token a long time ago, probably like 3 years ago, and it is Internet Computer, ICP, Internet Computer Price. This token is at $13.58 currently. It has been around for quite some time, guys. It's been around for a while. But this is what this is what I want you guys to check out. We're at $13.58 right now. But if you want to go to the all-time during the bull run, let's check it out, guys. Let's see where this token, let's see how high this token went before the bear run. Oh my God, dude. $630. $630 per token. And right now we are at 1350. 1350, guys. Wow. Wow. So, I am super interested in investing, buying 2 of these tokens. Because that is ridiculous. That is freaking awesome. $630. Let's go to this. Let's talk about this threshold, though. Let's talk about threshold real quick. And then at the end of this, we're going to decide where we're going to go ahead and put our $20 for today. So threshold, we are at 0.03. So obviously we're going to be able to buy a lot more threshold than we are of the ICP. So what is threshold? Let's go ahead and check it out. About threshold. T is an ERC20 utility token of the Threshold network, which offers a variety of threshold cryptography services, including TBTC, decentralized Bitcoin bridge. T tokens are staked by node operators and also function as a governance token. So, sounds like they have some pretty good utility there. I'm going to go ahead and click on their website so we can go ahead and check that out. Threshold. Maximize your BTC in DeFi. Mint TBTC now. Bridge your Bitcoin and start earning. Deposit and redeem BTC in DeFi without intermediaries using Threshold TBTC. So, it looks like that you can mine TBTC by staking here, looks like. Oh, you could mint TBTC, stay updated. Mint, not mine, sorry. Technically mint, yes, you can, but mine, you might be able to, because it says here, deposit and redeem BTC in DeFi without intermediaries using Threshold BTC. So if you're bridging and you're earning, obviously there's some type of staking going on. What is this here? Minting Bitcoin to TBTC. TBTC. Okay, I'm not sure what that number is there. Is that the value of the token? I don't understand. The value of TBTC right now? TBTC unique addresses. So it looks like there's 563 TBTC unique addresses right now. Total staking, 117 million. Wow. Wow. Build uncensorable E2E into your DApp. End-to-end encryption plugin that is an end-to-end decentralization. So it looks like they got a lot going on, guys. As always, I am not going to read everything on their website here. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check out threshold.network so you can go ahead and check out their website. Bug bounty, join the hunt, 500k bug bounty. Oh, that's pretty cool. That is really cool, actually. That's awesome. So these guys are actually giving out 500k to help secure the network. So it's actually an incentive for hackers to go hack this and to make it better, and more secure, to find any bugs that may be in there. So that is pretty awesome. So obviously this token is going to get very, very secure with something like that. There's a lot, guys. There is definitely a lot. I think I'm sold. I think I'm sold on Threshold. I do like it. I like the utility. I actually want to check out this TBTC to see what's going on. We will do that in another video. I'm going to do some research on it and see what I can learn about it, and then we are going to come back to this. So guys, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get $20 worth of threshold today. All right, here we go. So we're going to buy some threshold. We're going to get $20 USD. So we're actually going to get 469 threshold. So let's review that order. No, I don't want to invest weekly. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this because it's just something I do before I place my order. And here we go. We are out of here. Order submitted. Order submitted. And I just got a vibration saying I was just charged. Trade successful. You got 469.3878073 T. Cool, guys. That is freaking cool. I'm going to go ahead and view order here. Like using Coinbase. You want to rate us? Maybe later. Okay. There we are. Our first purchase of T. Our very first purchase of T. And we got $18.51 after Coinbase's fee. And $18.35 we are at with T. So, guys, I didn't even go over the numbers here. I don't think, did I? I'm going to go ahead and go to a week. A week ago, so we are already up. A week ago, it was at 2 cents. We're already up to 4 cents. So that is already, it's already a big jump if you had a couple $100 in here or something, 1,000. But if you had some money in here, that was a pretty good jump. Let's see a month here. And then we're going to go to a year. A year ago, it was at 6 cents. Let's see what the all-time was here. 0.22 cents. All-time high of 0.22 cents that we are trying to get to once again in this new bull run. So, it's going to be some gains in there, guys. Gains in there once we surpass that all-time high once again. Highly confident in these tokens. Highly confident that this bull run is going to make us a lot of freaking money, guys. So, yeah, guys, that is our $20 for this week. My balance is at 56.32, like I said, which we're going to go to my assets once again. And then we are actually going to minus $17.03. And let's say like $23. Minus $23, around there. Or $22 for the Cosmos. All right, so yeah, we are a little bit down from last week, but no problem. Not a big deal. Not a big deal because there's a lot of potential going on here. So that is going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next week. So, peace!